Vlookup. Let's find out the Vlookup in this video. So first of all, we have been given employee code and we have to find out the full name, right? In this section, I want to explain what is Vlookup. So basically, Vlookup is finding some data in this table, okay, with the reference of this one. So what it exactly means is, using this employee code from this table we are going to find out full name, right? So there are two rules here in the VLOOKUP. The first one is VLOOKUP always looks vertically, not horizontally. For horizontally we have HLOOKUP. So VLOOKUP is always vertical. And the second rule is VLOOKUP has to be done in a particular way. I'll explain you how. The second rule is, in the VLOOKUP there is something called lookup value. Lookup value is basically what are you looking for in this table. That is employee code. We are looking for employee code in this table, hence we can find full name next to it. This is how we are going to ask the Excel to function the formula. So the always make sure that this employee code or whatever the lookup value should be in the first column in the selected table. This is just a table. I will give you the selected table. What do you mean by selected table? Selected table is nothing but table array. Once I do 2-3 times, you will get a hang of it. So let's begin it. So the lookup value is employee code, comma, table array. It's asking which table are you finding it from. I'm going to select the whole table here, comma. The third component is column index number. So column index number is basically Excel is asking where is the information located in this resultant component. The result component is full name. Where is this column in this table? This is the second column in this table. So we press 2 here. And the last one is, if you want the exact match, you press 0, bracket close, and press enter. You have the value. Similarly, if you want to find out the address, which is the third column, you do the similar thing. VLOOKUP, lookup value is the employee, comma, table array is the whole table, comma, column index number is 3, comma, 0, bracket close, enter. That's it. This is VLOOKUP.